Measuring progress towards local integration of displaced persons in Somalia. There are an estimated 2.9 million internally displaced persons, or IDPs, in Somalia. Most of them move to urban centers where they live in informal settlements with limited progress towards integration. The Danwadaag Durable Solutions Consortium is supporting the Somali government to find long-term solutions to displacement in Somalia. To help achieve this, Danwadaag developed the Local Reintegration Assessment, or LORA, to understand the unique vulnerabilities of Somali communities that are affected by displacement, to measure progress towards reducing these, and to identify factors that influence how well integrated IDPs feel. The LORA is a household-level survey tailored to the Somali context. It provides evidence to design and improve durable solutions programming for greater impact. The LORA measures over time 1. Levels of perceived integration of IDPs, and 2. Inequalities between IDPs and their host communities. How was the LORA developed? Together with local communities, governments, and durable solution stakeholders, Danwadaag defined local integration in the Somali context. Then, a questionnaire was created using the Durable Solutions Framework from the Interagency Standing Committee, IASC, to measure physical, material, and legal safety of IDPs, including 1. Adequate standard of living. 2. Access to economic opportunities. 3. Access and rights to housing, land and property. 4. Participation in public and community affairs. 5. Access to documentation, effective remedies, and justice. And 6. Social cohesion. How does the LORA work? Danwadaag surveyed more than 3,000 households in 4 urban centers in Somalia repeatedly in 2019, 2020, and 2021. To analyze the data, 2 logistic regression models were used. Model 1 links IDPs' physical, material, and legal safety to how well integrated IDPs feel. Over time, significant factors for IDPs to feel integrated changed. Model 2 identifies inequalities between IDPs and their host community. Here, you see the results of our 2020 survey with percentages indicating the inequality levels between host community and IDPs and areas identified to reduce these. Improve social cohesion, especially in Baidoa. Focus on housing quality and land tenure security, especially in Mogadishu and Kismayo. Enable families to buy enough food in Baidoa and Kismayo, and focus on providing access to legal and financial services, especially in Kismayo. Focus on livelihoods activities to increase income and coping capacities. The LORA can be used in different contexts. It proved a valuable tool to measure reintegration and displacement-specific vulnerabilities, focus programming on most significant factors for reintegration and durable solutions, and create an evidence base to inform an area-based approach. How can others use and adapt the LORA? 1. Adapt the questionnaire to the local context, but keep it broad enough to allow for changes over time. 2. Include specific program components. 3. Adapt the aspects surveyed and their weighting within the local context. 4. Further develop the survey tool and how the logistic model is calculated. What next? While achieving the level of host communities is a vital step for IDPs, we envision defining further steps towards achieving reintegration and durable solutions beyond this to ensure realistic, context-specific standards are used to measure and inform priorities for durable solutions. To access resources, visit somalia.iom lora.int/durable-solutions.